I think we're all looking forward to cooking outside more this summer. And the best thing you can use is Sumi Bincho Charcoal. This is a really premium Japanese charcoal. It burns super long, super hot, and once it's up to temperature, it has this sort of almost stark white colour to it, and it really gives off a lot of heat. As you can see, there's no smoke, there's really no odour whatsoever, which means it's perfect for cooking on. When you get it up to this temperature, it'll stay like this and burn steadily for about 5 hours. So you get the ultimate consistency and great flavour when you're cooking. I guess that's why the Japanese have used it for so many years in their yakitori restaurants. I put a lot of effort into the sourcing of my meat and fish and of course my vegetables. But why not put the same attention into your charcoal? And the Bincho charcoal just gives the best flavour. It burns for a long time, but it's got that flavour of oak, which I love, and I think it just works so well with meat especially. Once you've cooked your meal, you can extinguish the Bincho, put it into one of these little pots, put the lid on, and it'll cut the oxygen off. Within 5 minutes, it'll stop burning. But the most important thing is you can reuse it again and again and again, which is what we do in the restaurant. Bincho is a long-term, cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to cook your food. But of course, tastes delicious too.